In this video, we're going to talk about a concept called the economic order quantity. So the basic concept of this calculation, if you will, is to determine how much inventory we need so that the cost of having inventory will be minimized. So the variables that we need to know, first of all, we need to know how many units we sell per year. So what's the annual demand for the units? The carrying cost, typically described as a percentage. What are the carrying costs as a percentage of the price? And finally, what are the order costs? Every time you place an order, there is an expense associated with placing that order. Could be personnel, could be other types of overhead that could go into this cost, but there is an order cost. So in this case, 30,000 units is how many units we sell per year. The carrying cost is 10% of the price. Order costs are $50 per order, and we currently sell the product for roughly $100 per unit. So the economic order quantity that would minimize the cost is 547.72 units. So let's roughly say 548 units. So at 548 units, what would it cost to have the inventory? Well, in this case, roughly costs $3,005,477. However, this company also has an order quantity so that if they order 600, they can get a lower potential price. So if the order quantity were 600, again, the total cost, again, is just roughly a little bit more, but you can see it's about $132 odd higher than what it would be if they just ordered the economic order quantity. So the next question we can ask then is, well, when do we need to place the order? We want to place the order so that we don't run out of inventory. So this company roughly works 250 days out of the year. So their average usage, which is 250 divided into the annual demand, is 120 units per day. They like to have 95 units in stock, so they refer to that as safety stock. So they never want to go below 95 units. They also have a 3-day lead time, so that by the time they place the order, it takes roughly 3 days to get the order into the facility. So the reorder point is 455 days. 455 units. So in this case, when we get the 455 units, we're going to order 548 units. So this takes into account the cost and also the time frame that it takes to get the asset in. So based on this, we can minimize the cost, but also be sure that we don't run out of product over time. So that's the economic order point and the economic order quantity.